Have you ever noticed you need to start a hard task, but your brain is in complete shutdown mode? You stare at the screen, you procrastinate, you find distractions. It feels like there is an invisible wall. But here is the truth. The problem is not you. Your brain is simply in energy-saving mode. And today, I will show you 3 scientific brain hacks to switch that mode off and force your brain into work mode instantly. Your brain is not the logic machine you think it is. Your brain is an energy economy expert. It calculates the value of every task, how much attention it needs, and the energy cost of starting, purely based on dopamine. When you say, "It's too hard to start," what you really mean is, "My brain thinks this task is too expensive because there is not enough dopamine." But here is the good news. You can manually change how your brain calculates this cost.
Hack number 1, the 2-minute dopamine spark. To start a hard task, you don't need a massive amount of motivation. Your brain just needs to see one thing: movement. So do this. Do the smallest, most ridiculously simple part of the task, just for 2 minutes. That's it. Studying? Just open the book and read the first sentence. Writing? Open the file and type one single word. Cleaning? Just fold one shirt. This signal, "I have started," triggers a dopamine spark. And remember, keeping a car moving is much easier than pushing it from a dead stop. Win the first 2 minutes, and your brain will handle the rest.
Hack number 2, the 20-second reward rule. Your brain releases dopamine based on how fast it expects a reward. If the reward is hours away, dopamine drops, and you quit. So, right before a hard task, give your brain a micro-reward: a sip of coffee, a 20-second breathing exercise, the intro of your favorite song, a small piece of chocolate. This micro-reward tells your limbic system starting this task is worth it. You are literally bribing your brain to start working for you.
Hack number 3, the Dopamine Ladder. Your brain categorizes tasks into 2: low dopamine, studying, writing, working; high dopamine, TikTok, YouTube, games. You cannot jump from high to low. The drop is too painful. You need a bridge: medium dopamine. Before a hard task, do a medium dopamine activity for just 30 seconds. A quick 15-second stretch, splash cold water on your face, organize your desk for 10 seconds. Listen to fast-paced music without lyrics. This prepares your brain for action without triggering the addiction loop. It's like shifting gears from first to second. The transition feels natural, not forced.
Not being able to start is not a lack of motivation. It is just a biological misunderstanding. But with these 3 hacks, you can break the loop. The 2-minute spark to break the barrier. The 20-second reward to create anticipation. The dopamine ladder to bridge the gap. These 3 tools will put your brain into work mode instantly.
Now, you have the tools to start. Try them today and feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more science-backed mental energy hacks. See ya!